Hi everyone, here we are again, Robin the Sudoku guy with another tutorial. This is tutorial number 47. I've got some tricks to show you. In this particular case, I've just taken the top 3 blocks of a puzzle to show you some things. First of all, when you look at a puzzle, I immediately look to see if there's anything that just stands out. And for me, it was the 5. Here we have a middle, there we have a top, and so we can put in this one, becomes a 5 in the bottom. Now that we've completed part of this row, we've got 3 cells left, and because those 3 cells are within this block as well, we know it's got to be a 3 by 3, made up of the numbers that still left in this row, and they are a 4, a 6, and a 9. Let's put them in. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9. Now let's look over here. We have an 8, 7. In the middle, we have an 8-7 at the bottom. Therefore, an 8-7 has to be up there. So I'm going to put it in this way: 7-8, 7-8, and 7-8. Now let's what else is there that could go up there? Well, we have a 2 here, 2 on the bottom, 2 at the middle. A 2 could go up here. 2, 2, 2. Now we also have a 1 here. 1, 1, 1. Or there could be a 1 in there too. But 1, 1, 1. Oh, we got a problem now. This is not possible. We've got 4 numbers in there. It's not a 3 by 3, it's 4 numbers. Do we need those 4 numbers? Not really. Let me show you. If I decided to say, we'll take one of those numbers out. If you take a 2 out, you can't take a 2 out. If you take, because of a 2 there, you take the 7 out and bring it down in here, it's already a 7 in there. If you take the 8 and put it down here, there's already an 8 there, and so on. If you put the 1 down in here, that will really work. So we have to do this. We have to get rid of the 1. So we now have a 3 by 3 up there, and therefore the 1s can come down in here, and this up here becomes a 1, and this becomes a 6, 9. Now, let's look at the 3. We have a 3 on the bottom, a 3 on the top. This has to be a 3, and that means that we have a matching pair. Now, there's one thing I want to show you, and that's this. I noticed this very quickly. We have a 4, 9, 4, 9, 4, 9, 4, 9. It's a possible danger. And when you have that, to avoid the danger, you make this one here into a 6. And this one becomes a 6. And therefore this becomes a 9. And therefore, and this becomes a 9. And this becomes a 4. And so on. The ramification is fantastic. Look at this. That becomes a 9. Okay. And this becomes a 4, and we've got all those numbers solved. Now, I've covered a couple of techniques that maybe you're not familiar with. If you want to review those techniques for the 3 by 3, you can go to lesson 18, and there's also some tutorials on that. You can also, for danger, go to tutorial 21, and there's many examples of matching pairs. If you go to my website and scroll down, you'll see all the lessons. Pretty well most of my videos cover the matching pair. So that's it for this session. Bye for now.